Yo, what's up guys, it's Eli Plug back again with another video, and today I'm going to show you how to loose lace your Panda dunks. Put the laces through the first right hole. And then once you do that, you want to make sure both of the laces are even. Grab both of them like that. Pull them up like that. Once you make sure both of the laces are even, you want to put your laces into the left next hole. Now just do the same thing all around the shoes. Now once you get to your last hole, just make sure again they're both even, and then just put it through the holes and you're done. So yeah guys, this is the finished product for today's video. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and let me know down below in the comments which other videos would you like to see in this channel.